Good morning once again, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I want us to discuss application of indices, and we are told that given that y is equals to 1 over 16 x squared, or x squared over 16, express each of the following in the form of kx raised to power n, where k and n are constants. First of all, we have to remember what y is. Y is 1 over 16 x squared. So part A is requesting us to talk about y raised to power a half. And because y is the whole of this, so we are simply saying 1 over 16 x squared raised to power a half. And as it were, we have constants part and the variable part. So this number we need to separate it into two, so that we have 1 over 16 raised to power a half multiplied by x squared raised to power a half, because this half affects all those numbers. So 1 over 16 raised to power half is simply the square root of 1 over 16, which is simply 1 over 4. And as you know, this needs to be multiplied together, whereby we have x squared times raised to power half. It's actually 2 times a half, which is simply 1. So x, it's a quarter x. It can also be written as x over 4. And that is how we can solve that question. Here we have another part whereby we have 4y raised to power negative 1. And what is y? Y is x squared over 16 raised to power negative 1. We must note that this negative 1 is only affecting the y. It is not affecting the 4. It's not like this half, which is affecting everything inside here. This negative 1 is only affecting the y. And as you can see, there is this part which is x squared out of 16 raised to power negative half. And as it were, if you remember what we said about a over b raised to power negative x, we just need to flip the two, a and b, so the b becomes the numerator now, and a becomes the denominator, and the power of the index automatically reverses to positive or vice versa. So in this case, we now have 16 and x squared will flip. 16 over x squared now comfortably raised to power 1. And we all know that 16 over x squared raised to power 1 is as simple as that. So we are going to have 4 times 16, which is 64 over x squared. If you like, now this x squared can go upstairs or to the numerator position, and we are going to have 64x raised to power negative 2. But you can also leave it this way, there's no problem. But that is just the way. Thank you, and let us meet in the next video.